Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the beautiful insect amethyst flower beetle like this. I think it's so beautiful. It has a purple color like this, and I think it's perfect to display in your vivarium. Like if you are a collector, you must have this insect. And so where you can find it, beetle, this amethyst flower beetle can found around around your home. You don't need to go any special map, just explore nearby. And for this time, it appears at the rainy and rainbow weather at the old time like this. So you can hunt for it in the rainy weather or rainbow weather all time. And to increase your drop rate, I highly recommend using an insect attractor because this will boost insect spawns and make it easier for you to find the beetle faster. So just go around to your home area at right time and then just use your insect attractor and then just catch the amethyst flower beetle. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.